Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to decorate our project files. So I have taken this string file and firstly I'm going to cover this with black chart paper. Then I have taken the printout of vintage paper and these written content on glossy sheet. So like this I have decorated this. And similarly I have taken printouts of many other sheets as well. Let's decorate it too. Now we're going to take 3 papers and I'm going to decorate all of these pages in the same manner but in different designs. So let's have a look at this. This was on the lost spring. I have also created one more on linguistic chauvinism. Let's have a look at this too. So thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.